Alright, y'all, what's going on? I know y'all remember this. This thing here was on life support. Now look what happened after one day of getting some new dirt, a new pot, put some water on it. Look at the flower bouncing back. The flower was not shriveled up. That part was still good. This part was falling off. Like we're gonna have some new red coming in, which is good. This one here was not that bad at all. It's taking a little time to bounce back, but it was very, very hot today. We were supposed to be out here earlier, but man, it was too hot. So we decided to wait till later on today and come out here and look at these plants. All right, and then here comes this new flower that we just got. This one was looking very beautiful earlier today. Like the sun kind of got to it, but that's fine. We'll put some water on top of it. These are the ones that we transplanted today. I should have probably put all these color ones in one pot like this. I'm actually thinking about taking this out and putting it in a smaller pot, or maybe just putting all these in one pot. So I ain't decided yet. We'll see. All right, we'll see. Everything else is looking pretty good though. The sun was out today. I don't know, we may try to get to those potatoes today if you can see them. We'll see. We'll see what all we can do. But look at the tomatoes. Oh my gosh, there's tomatoes growing everywhere on him. There you go, the smaller baby tomatoes. You go to giant tomatoes that we've been having our eye on the whole time. More tomatoes. Tomatoes here. Tomatoes there. Tomato everywhere. Got some right there. Got some new ones growing. Got plenty of tomatoes. Of course, you got the scallion, got your green onions, rosemary looking good. This is the new mint. This mint is taking off like the lemon balm, and then there's the lemon balm. I know y'all remember this thing looking like this, but this is what it looks like now. Sorry, I got a mango in my hand, so I can't sniff and smell like I used to because I got mango juice all on me. I'm gonna wash this off and eat this. All right, we got the sunflower. We gotta probably do this today. Let me see if the kids want to transplant that. These big sunflowers. Look at the sunflower. You see it? I think we're gonna actually get a flower soon. I hope so. We got 3 in one pot that need to get watered. The mint. Look at the mint. The mint is starting to catch up with that mint. This is the spearmint, smelling really good. That's the marigold. That's the lavender. Ooh, look at the strawberry. The strawberry got a little flower growing. Got a strawberry there. Got blueberries. The aloe is catching and taking off like it needs to. Let me show y'all this other mint here. Look at this mint. I think this mint absolutely love this sun. I swear every single day this thing gets bigger and bigger. I remember y'all could have seen the ticket, but right now I don't see no ticket. There is no ticket. You can't even see the sticker. So this sweet mint, boy, it's almost time to make some tea with that. All right, y'all, gonna try to do this little bit of yard work real quick and do some watering and whatnot. Probably a little bit of transplanting while we still got time. But yeah, just giving y'all a quick rundown. The aloe's doing really good after the transplant. Really, really good. Because I thought it was dead. But it's doing good. Is this your Scotch bonnet?
Which one? Yes.
Oh, Scotch bonnet. I'm going to show y'all the video. I made a video, but I never posted it, of her starting the Scotch bonnet from seed. Look at it. The Scotch bonnet pebble. Just look at it. Y'all won't believe how this started. This was seed. That's seed. That's from seed. That's from seed. The one in the middle is from seed. Did we start the sunflowers from seed?
Yes.
Oh, the sunflowers from seed. Look look at these heads. Oh, I can't wait for these new heads to shoot up. Oh, they're looking so pretty. This is a pretty flower. I should have got pictures of it earlier because it looked like that first flower that bloomed that died off. It looked very pretty. Oh, is something in there? Oh, ain't nothing in there. It's just going through, peeking through. Rose bush, nothing popped out yet, but it's all good. Look at the sky going crazy. All right, y'all. Finna get to work now. All right, y'all, it's water time. We got one of the little ones watering the plants. Well, she's actually watering her sunflower.
I can water
Big
them all.
sunflower. And we got
We're gonna need more dirt.
another little one finna get
Daddy, we're gonna
his
need
stuff
more
together.
too.
We go ahead and get his sunflower because that needs to be transplanted. Oh, the roots is growing at the bottom.
Oh, there is. Too much
All right, let's get him set up. We use the rest of this dirt. Bring your pot over here. Put your pot down.
Wait, that's his pot? He found it? By so?
All right, so we're going to transplant this into that. It's not that much of a difference, but that's what we're going to do. Yep. All right, so we're getting the dirt and putting it in the new pot. All right, we're just getting this new dirt in this pot for the sunflower that needs to get transplanted. Go ahead, keep going. All right, let's get the rest of this dirt in here. We're gonna fill it halfway. Come on, get some more dirt. Get the rest of it. There we go. Get all that dirt. There we go.
Big sunflower. Big sunflower.
Okay, that's enough for now. All right, now we're just gonna transplant this, and then this is good enough. And then we're gonna put that in there. Hold on. All right, so he done got that halfway. Now we're just gonna pop this out. You know the routine. Do the thing. Go ahead and first of all, we got 2 pots, so let's make sure we're doing it the right way. Okay, there we go. Oh wow, you see that? Okay. Just go ahead and just try to just play with the plastic so you can get that dirt and its root away from the plastic pot. Lift it side down like that. Now you see the roots are all through here, so we gotta be careful with this. Try to make sure the roots go through. If not, it's okay. You may lose a few roots.
Whoa.
Alright, and then here we go. Just drop him on up in there. Oh, perfect size. Now we just fill up the rest of the dirt. Alright, you can pause it. Alright, now we can go ahead and fill this back up.
Daddy, I'm supposed to do it too.
Okay, you do your side. You get the dirt.
Daddy, you scooped my dirt side. Wait, you need to dump it some
Yeah, just put it on top right here. Yeah, put it on top. There you go. So you're not messing it up. Okay.
That's better.
Get the dirt
Daddy.
like that.
It's because mine doesn't fit in there.
And pat it like that. And you do this last bit side right there. Okay. You can just top it
Daddy,
off.
we're doing it together.
Yep. Alright, just like that. Alright, that's it. Okay, back up.
Daddy, can you show everyone in the world?
Yep, I'm gonna show them now. And this is done. Transplanted from a half gallon to a bigger half gallon. And that's it.
Mommy, it's starting to grow a little. Mommy, my son.
Alright, y'all, we got the sunflower transplanted in a bigger pot. We done watered everything. Everything is looking nice and juicy. Everything is watered. Go ahead. These are growing out of control. Oh my God, these are so big. These sunflowers. We started those from seed. This is the one that was on life support yesterday. And you see it's back in action. It's so beautiful. In a few days, these will probably be perking up again. That will look good. Everything looking good. Pretty collusions. Look how pretty that is. Get y'all some close-ups. The colors look so vibrant, don't even look real. Yeah, I know this one is dying, but it's okay. We got a few more heads growing up. Hopefully I can catch these when they come out so y'all can see them fresh. Tomatoes looking big. Got tomatoes everywhere. You can actually see them poking out now. All right, y'all. This is the Sunshine State Garden. This is our week update for right now. We couldn't really do too much, but we got a lot done. We got this transplanted. We got the sunflower transplanted. We was able to water a lot of this stuff, make it the focus good. Okay, we was able to get the sunflower transplanted, so that's good. Water these plants so the sun won't kill them. Everything is looking good. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in. We're gonna give y'all daily updates on the shorts and then post videos throughout the week of updates of everything. Until the next time, we will holler at y'all later. All right, we appreciate y'all. Take it easy.